A very warm good evening to everyone. Today it's my pleasure to be present in Peruvian Gastronomy Festival and absolutely an honor to be present with Ambassador Guillermo from El Salvador. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, we would like to know from you that how is your experience in this festival today?
It's great. The Peruvian food is amazing. I
Right.
like the ceviche. Yeah, it's one of the
Okay.
most important dishes of the Peruvian food.
Okay.
And the ajillos gallina. But
Right.
it's not chicken, but it's delicious too. The desserts, even the drinks, yeah?
Right.
And the desserts are amazing. Yeah? So I recommend that if
Definitely.
it's possible that the people are from India,
Definitely. Everyone would like to have a try.
if they can try it, please do it because it's really good. I
True,
recommend
true.
a lot.
True.
Yeah.
Sir, we would like to know that being in India, what is it the takeaway that you would like to give back to the children in your country?
Well, you know that we have at the embassy we had a meeting with the students of the schools,
Right.
yeah, because we want to show to the Indian students
Right.
what is El Salvador, because most of the people they don't know where is El Salvador, yeah. And I try to explain the culture, our gastronomy too, yeah.
Right.
And they are very interesting about our country. And sometimes they know about El Salvador, no? Because they know that we are in Central America, that we are the only country in the world that will have the Bitcoin as currency, legal currency. yeah.
Okay.
So and they know that they can practice surf
Right.
in our beaches because we have one of the 10 best waves in the world. Yeah.
Right.
So for these children, it's very interesting that.
Right.
So we shared a lot with the schools, universities. Yes. I always try to explain to people.
Right.
And having contact with the Indian students, especially with the Indian students
Right.
from university and school.
Okay.
Because for us it's very important.
Sir, we would also like to know from you that being in India, what is the thing that you have liked the most about this country?
Everything.
Thank you so
The
much.
people, I love India. This is my second term in India.
Okay.
The first time I came in 2014, but
Okay.
only for 1 year and a half.
Okay.
And now I arrived in December 2020. So
Oh,
I almost
lovely.
will have 4 years now.
Right.
And I love the country
Thank
because
you
I
so
really
much,
love
sir.
India. It's amazing.
It's pleasure to have a personality like you, and we would always like to host you here.
Yeah.
So,
I always, when I talk with Salvadorian people, I say, please, you have to come to India and visit but it's so far. No, it's not far. You don't have to come and visit this amazing country, no?
Right.
Yeah? And you have a lot of opportunity to know the heritage of the Indian culture.
Right.
Because India for us, I always say that we have a mix of Indians, yeah?
Right.
Yeah? Because if you go to a restaurant here in India, I start seeing the people and say, that girl could be from El Salvador. This guy could be from El Salvador. We have a lot of similarities.
Right. So, on behalf of India, I would like to invite all the people of El Salvador to please definitely visit India once.
Yes. Yeah.
And sir, also I would like to know from you that you have been at such an important position right now. But when you were a child, what was the thing that you missed from your childhood?
Miss from my childhood. At that time, we never imagined that we will have a mobile. No? But I think that the mobile is very help you in this life. But at the same time, if you go to a restaurant, for example, you see all the people watching this mobile. No?
Right.
In my time, we played.
Right.
Yeah? We went to the parks. We share more, and that right now the children they only want to see the tablets and
True.
a big difference
Right.
in my generation and the new generation.
True.
But always,
It's evolution.
yes, that's right. That's evolution.
Right.
Yeah? Better things in this world. Yeah.
That's so nice of you, sir. Really inspiring to have your words of wisdom. And so thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Thank you so much, everyone. Stay tuned with Vegas for more updates.